Hey guys, are you ready for another spicy video? Yeah, probably not, but like still. Oh yeah, it's my screen recorder tab. Woohoo, let's just, yeah, that's nice. Nice, that otter's outfit is having a seizure. My membership was like supposed to expire yesterday, but I was super lucky and that glitch happened where you try to open the settings thing. But let's see if it ends right now. I don't really care if it does or not, because I can always just earn a new one. Nope. Diamonds! Triple diamonds. Good. I'm an eagle in this game, and I do not want to change. Because, then I'm gonna try to do the non-member eagle glitch. I'm gonna play the new adventure, Spring Festival, not string. I love spring because it brings such amazing things, the chirping birds, the blooming flowers, and all, of course, the spring eggs. There are 100 spring eggs hidden throughout the land. Some of them are bright colors and are easy to spot, but others are very well hidden. You can earn cool prizes for every batch of spring eggs you find. The more eggs you discover, the more prizes you'll earn. There are 7 special golden eggs that each contain fun prizes. Do you think you can find them all? Be sure to keep your eyes peeled because the Spring Festival egg hunt is about to begin. Good luck. Yay! Lolly. Okay, you just said that. Sorry. Let's go ahead and get a watering can. Because we'll probably need it if it's in the adventure. Alright, let's start with it. Wait, we need to turn the map on though. Alright, let's see. Oh, there's one. I've been playing this game since like October 2013. So I've been playing this game for like a very long time. This isn't my original account though. I used to play on an account named Flufflepuff98. Ooh, here we go. My sister played too. We got a daffodil flower bed. I'm glad those are non-member because they're pretty. And a spring lamppost. Those are really pretty too, but unfortunately they're members only. An egg is right there. That one was pretty well hidden because it was green like the grass. There's one. There's lots of eggs if you just look. Easter's tomorrow. Happy Easter. Hope you go to some sort of egg hunt. And since I'm an eagle, I don't have to jump. I can just fly. And get a daisy pinwheel. It's always the same prizes. And cattail lamp. Sometimes the cattail lamp one will change. Let's get a watering can. I love how in this game, like, you can basically be a skin changer in this game. Like, if you notice in the shops, just one second. Ooh, that's pretty. If you noticed in the, okay, you found 15 eggs, you are off to a great start. Hopefully no more interruptions. If you look in the shops, there's things like eggs. If you're not like a bird, then that's kind of weird. There's a butterfly hair clip right there. And there's a squid hat, a bird beak. What? A snake hat. I watched Mean Girls the other day, and when I said snake hat, it kind of reminded me of it, but my favorite quote from that movie is, when you've been bitten by a snake, you have to suck the venom out, right? So you have to suck out all the venomous people in your life. True. See, look, a dragon head. You can wear a dragon head and dragon wings. That's crazy. Why would you want kids to be a skin changer? Ugh. Alright, well, I think I found all the eggs in this area. Maybe I haven't, but we can always come back to search later. Wait, what does Gummy have to say? How many spring eggs have you found so far? 15. Okay, hold up. There we go. Alright, now let's go over here. This stylus is pretty bad. I heard that some of the golden eggs can only be reached when jammers work together. I'm like really sad because my friend that I've had ever since I started Animal Jam, her account is gone. Her name was Sparkle Crystal 123. I don't know what happened. Her backup account is still here. She could have gotten banned, but I seriously doubt that. She would never do anything to get banned. My friend Silver Mist, she also quit like a long time ago. I haven't seen her in a long time. She just quit in 2015, and I've not seen either of them in a very long time. 100 gems. Do you think gems are cents or dollars? Because I seriously don't know. If you guys want, you could make an account and buddy me on here. If you do, then I'll be sure to include like a special type of jamagram that you have to send me, so that I know it's you, and that it's not some just random stranger. Almost there. 3 eggs left that I haven't found. 1 egg left. I am losing patience fast. I've searched everywhere. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I found it! Yay. Pile of eggs. Golden egg prize. You found all 100 eggs. That's amazing. You're the best egg hunter I've ever seen. I think there might be a few treasure chests hidden around here. Have you found them all? Yes. And be sure to come back soon, because there's no better way to celebrate spring than finding more eggs. Oh my gosh, that was great. So these are the items I got. We have these. Yeah, I got a lot. I've played this adventure lots of times, so these are just all the prizes. And now I'm gonna tell you how to make that special jamagram. So if you're a member, let's just send it to this person, my best friend. Okay, so actually, let's send it to a storage, because it's gonna be like pretty weird. Nah, it'll be fine. Reply. Okay, so let's do one that's year-round. Okay, do Climb High in Serapia Forest, because it kind of has my name in it, like Serapia. Yay. It has to be this, and the message can be congratulations. I don't know what for, but no one's gonna send this letter, so just do this, and congratulations to Emery. You get the thing. Let's send a gift. Yeet. Okay, what do we send? I'm feeling generous, so let's send this rare. And it's a heart pocket. Well, you don't send the gift unless you want. But you don't have to send the gift. If you do, I'll open it on camera. But knowing how unpopular this channel is, I'm sure no one will do it, but that's okay. Just trying to get this out here. So, that was fun, and I'm gonna try and see if I can decorate a den. Hi, I'm back. That took a long time. This is the den. This is the outside. If you're wondering, that little piece of blue is water from this watering can. I think it looks really nice. As you can see, the exterior is way more decorated than the interior, but I think that's just fine. There's really nothing much to talk about in this place. Oh, clever. The lamp. Nice. Shout out to Jammer2WJM5 and Sophia29578. Goodbye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to stay loyal by subscribing, and goodbye. Woohoo.